Hello friends, welcome to MSM TECH SOLUTION. Today we will learn how to add two numbers in C++. First of all, we will write header files. IOStream. Now we will write using namespace std. Add main function. int main. Here from this bracket main function is started. Now we will declare three variables. For storing value in our program, we declare ABC as integers. Now we will write our statements as cout commas. Enter any number. Now write cin. A where it stores user input value. Now we will write our statements as cout commas. Enter any number. Now write cin. B, where B stores second user input value. Here \n is used for new line and T is used for space. Now we define addition operation. C. Now we will write cout again. For showing result. Here we will write variable C, where result stored in variable C displayed. Now we run this program. Here program is running now. You can see program is running correctly. Now we write system. CLS for clearing screen. Now we will write system pause. To pause system. Now run it. Here you can see something went wrong. Here is syntax. Error. Now we correct it. Now it's done. Now run it. Here you can see program is working correctly. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel and share our video. Press bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.